In 1932, Australia declared war on emus. Yes, the birds. And they lost. After World War I, 20,000 emus invaded wheat fields in Western Australia, destroying crops and ruining farmers. The situation got so bad, the government did the unthinkable. They sent in the military. Soldiers armed with Lewis machine guns and 10,000 rounds of ammunition marched into the outback. Their mission? Eliminate the emu threat. It should have been easy. It wasn't. Emus can run 30 miles per hour and zigzag like they're dodging bullets. Because they were. They'd scatter into small groups, ambush style. The guns kept jamming. The birds kept winning. After 6 days of combat, the military admitted defeat. They'd fired 10,000 rounds and killed less than 1,000 emus. The commander literally said the emus had guerrilla tactics and were nearly bulletproof. The government officially called it off. Newspapers mocked them worldwide. One senator even joked that the emus should be given medals since they'd won against the Australian military. To this day, it's called the Great Emu War. And yes, the emus are still there, thriving, undefeated. Australia, 0. Emus, 1. Subscribe for more historical truths.